Good evening. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of this Bosch Truemix Pro mixer grinder. It's a 1000-watt grinder and I am going to show you the unpacking. As you can see, after opening it, you see this congratulatory letter from Bosch. Congratulations on owning Bosch Truemix mixer grinder, and the main feature is a stone pounding technology, replicates the traditional dry grinding to give a desired authentic taste. This is particularly true for Indian foods like grinding haldi or turmeric, pepper, chilies, coriander seeds and all that. This is the instruction pamphlet of the mixer grinder, and you have to register your new product here in My Bosch Devices to get free benefits. So I keep these aside. More boxes here. So this is one jar. This is one jar. This is the second jar. This is the third jar. I'll read out the names of the five. There are supposed to be 5 jars inside. I'll read out the names of the 5 jars. Then there's another box within the box. There are 2 more jars inside this box. These are all the lids, 2 lids. Now there is, we have seen 3 jars. This is the 4th jar. This is a multi-purpose jar. It's made up of stainless steel. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last jar should be a juicer jar. 1.5 liter capacity. This is the juicer jar, 1.5 liter capacity. You can see it is made up of polycarbonate and it has got this blade at the top. So the names of the 4 jars, and this is this is one more lid. This already has got a lid. This blender jar has got a big lid here. The small mixture jar has got a lid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one also has got a lid over here. Now the main feature about the lids of this blender, one of the reasons for which I bought it is it has got these locking lids. And this locking lid is a feature of the blender jar. And all the 3 jars, this one doesn't have a locking lid. So that is one of the main highlights of this mixer grinder. Then you have this mixer pounder blade. This is an additional blade and a spatula cum wrench to tighten this. So inside the box you have these two also, a spatula cum wrench. and an additional blade. And on the last compartment, or the main compartment, here is the main mixer unit itself. It's secured in plate. This is the motor coupler unit, to which all the jars are attached over here. This is the speed regulator. It has a round knob and it has got 4 suction feet to grip onto your tabletop. Bosch. The cable is adequate, 1.5 meters long cable. Now we'll put this box aside. Now I'm going to show you the jars one by one. This is the micro jar. It has a 0.25 liter capacity. This is the chutney jar. It has a 0.4 liter capacity. This is a medium jar, so 1 liter capacity. This is a big jar. It has a 1.5 liter capacity. And it has a blender jar, which is made up of a polycarbonate body. You can blend nutri-shakes and fruit juices in this. This is a blender jar. All of them have got lids. The tops have got lids so that you can add more content or stop it and remove it and see if it is adequately ground. Except the micro jar. All of them have got lids like this. It was the unpacking of the Bosch Truemix Pro mixer. I will show you the further use of the jars in separate videos. If you are considering to buy this mixer, it's one of the best big mixers in its category of 1000 watts capacity. So if you've got a moderate family of 4 or 5 members, then this mixer grinder will be the best thing for you. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.
It's the day you've come along to this beautiful